Hi, I'm Dave Glatthorn. I'm an attorney in West Palm Beach representing injured people. The title of this video is Bike Accidents in Florida, Avoiding Invisibility. And I use that title deliberately because in my years of practice I've represented a lot of people that have been involved in bike accidents or motorcycle accidents, and almost 95% of the time the defendant will say, they came out of nowhere. I didn't see them. I don't know where they came from, or things of that nature. Well, we know they didn't drop from the sky, and sometimes we make a joke about the cloak of invisibility. But it's a very real problem. I think the problem arises from the fact that most drivers don't understand that in Florida, a bicycle, a motorcycle, is a vehicle, and they have all the responsibilities of a vehicle. They have to obey all the traffic laws as far as obeying stop signs, obeying stop lights, but they also have all the rights of a vehicle too. And that includes having the right of way. And so often, either, I'm not sure what it is, if it's a blind spot mentally or not, but so often defendants just, they see a bike, but they just think that the bike can stop a lot quicker than they can, so they can violate the right of way. Let me give you an example of a recent case that I had where a lady was on a bicycle and the other driver was one of the few people, the 5%, that actually admitted seeing my client on her bicycle before the accident. He was backing out of his driveway. He admitted looking over to his right, seeing my client in the road, but still going ahead and pulling out. And when I asked him, well, why did you pull out if she was that close? She was actually, he said, right parallel with his next door neighbor. And he said, well, I thought that she had plenty of room to stop. Well, he wouldn't have said that if she was in a SUV or a car or anything like that. So he actively violated her right away, and he just didn't think that there was anything wrong with that. Well, there's everything wrong with that, of course, because we all know riding a bicycle, you might be looking here, you might be looking there, you might be changing gears, you might be doing anything. In Florida, as a bicyclist, you have all the rights of a vehicle driver on the road, but you also have the responsibility of taking care of yourself. Bike safety is number one. Wear a helmet. Always try and make eye contact with the other driver if you're coming up on a situation where you're not certain if the other driver sees you or not. Don't be invisible. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, hit the like button on the screen down below. If you have any other questions, call me at 561-659-1999. 561-659-1999. And finally, come to davidglatthorn.com, where you'll find a lot more content, a lot more video, information that we hope will help you make the right decision for yourself and your loved ones. I'm Dave Glatthorn.